July is spectacular on ESPN. Don't miss America's Olympics. 10 days of high-caliber competition with America's current and future Olympians. The U.S. Olympic Festival. You'll see the greatest names in golf live at the British Open and Women's U.S. Open. Plus, live tennis. The USA takes on Mexico in Davis Cup play. And catch the finals of the U.S. Pro Championships. Every Wednesday night, ESPN delivers the thrills of unforgettable super bouts and live championship events from the PBA Summer Tour. July means IndyCar excitement from Ontario and Cleveland, plus Formula One Grand Prix from France, Britain, and Germany, thoroughbred horsepower at the Haskell Stakes, and full-throttle unlimited hydroplane danger. You'll enjoy profiles of the top America's Cup challengers and ESPN All-Star Salute live from Houston. July is spectacular on the U.S. Olympic Festival Network, ESPN. Powerful punching. Bruising action on ESPN's Friday Night Fights. Each week, ESPN is your ringside seat to see today's best young boxers exchange blows. Friday, Harold Brazier goes for knockout number 21 against Ozzie O'Neill in the junior welterweight main event, live. Count on championship rounds of top-ranked boxing live on ESPN. ESPN's World Tour continues. Our next stop is the Italian Grand Prix, and this leg of the tour is brought to you by Pan Am. Lucky viewers will have a chance to be there with us in Monza by entering the World Tour sweepstakes. To enter, watch any of our Grand Prix events in July. Catch the winning slogan that will be broadcast during the telecasts. Write it on a card with your name and address and mail to ESPN World Tour, Post Office Box 1176, Ridgely, Maryland, 21683. If you're a winner, Pan Am will fly us to Milan, then we'll tour Venice and continue on to the Grand Prix at Monza. And whenever you travel to Italy, remember that Pan Am offers 3 non-stop 747s each week to Milan and daily non-stop 747 service to Rome. With Pan Am's schedule and experience, you won't want to fly with anyone else. So get your passport ready and join ESPN's World Tour in Italy.
In sports, timing is everything. And the same goes for watching sports. If your timing is a little off, you could miss some great action. No one knows that better than ESPN. That's why we offer our monthly sports guide. The ESPN Sports Guide gives you the inside track and the greatest variety of sports programming offered today. Every race, every game, every instructional series, every rewarding promotion, challenges, action, the best sports news. ESPN has it all. Why play hit or miss with your favorite events? For less than 42 cents an issue, you can guarantee yourself a seat at all your favorite games. That's $4.95 for 12 exciting months of Sports Guide. To subscribe, call 1-800-544-1000 or send your check to Sports Guide, Box 1840, Bristol, Connecticut, 06010. Act now. After all, timing is everything. And now is the time to order your ESPN Sports Guide.